Hey!
Welcome back!
I guess this is what you're looking for since you clicked here, so let me teach you how to change your oil. Today I'm working on a 2015 Lexus RX 350. You're going to need a couple things. As you know already, you're going to need oil and the oil filter. That is priority, but you're smart, so I know that you know that already. Now you're also going to need a ratchet, a 14mm socket, a specific Toyota-made filter wrench, and a funnel. There's plenty different versions of oil filter wrenches, but there's a specific filter wrench that you'll need for particular Lexus and Toyota cars. If you're changing your oil outside of a shop, you'll probably want to get something to catch the oil in, unless you think oil stains add character to the concrete. I don't see it, but I also don't judge, so that choice is yours. You'll also want to use jack stands or ramps for a little space under the car, but again, that choice is yours. So do as you please. When you have all of that, we should be ready to begin. Share this with someone who drives a Lexus. Now that you've got the car up, or now that you've squeezed up under it, you can find the oil pan and plug on the right side of the car. So don't even look to the left side of your car, because if you drain that and try starting the car, you're going to regret it. Anyway, you're going to need your drain pan here, so go ahead and get that in a good position. Once you've done that, it's time to put that ratchet and socket to work. Well, go ahead. Drain that oil. While the oil is draining, here's something you might not have known about Lexus. If you're not interested in hearing, it's all good. Just skip ahead. Anyway, even though it's a Japanese brand, Lexus didn't actually sell cars in Japan until 2005. For more than 15 years after launching in the US in 1989, the company focused entirely on building its reputation overseas as Toyota's luxury division. The strategy worked so well that by the time Lexus finally entered its home market, it was already seen worldwide as a top-tier luxury name known for precision, quiet performance, and unmatched reliability. I bet you didn't know that. Let's get back to it though. By now all the oil should be drained out. Let's go ahead and put the drain plug back in and secure it. Not too tight though. You're gonna need a new oil pan if you use this time to test your strength. Once that's situated, we can get to the second best part. Let's change that filter. You're going to utilize your oil filter wrench I mentioned earlier here. The one that was made specifically for certain Toyota and Lexus cars. When you get the filter housing off, make sure that we're replacing the rubber gasket that goes around the filter housing, just to be sure it's not faulty when you're reinstalling the new filter. Once you've checked for that, go ahead and replace the old filter and reinstall the housing with the new one. When that's done, let's go ahead and bring the car down to get to the best part. All right, you know what to do here. Let's put that oil in the car. Go ahead, grab that funnel and get it in position, and then we can get right into it. This car takes 6.4 quarts of 0W20 oil. I'm using full synthetic, which is going to be your best choice, according to Lexus. Using other options can leave your engine vulnerable to damage, especially since many modern Lexus engines are designed specifically for full synthetic oils. There's more than enough 0W20 options, so you shouldn't have a problem sticking to it. Well, look at you. You've changed your oil. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. You deserve it. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Share this with someone who drives a Lexus. If you want to know how to reset your maintenance light, you'll find that in the next video right after this. Leave a like, comment a car you'd like a walkthrough on, and subscribe. You're greatly appreciated. It's your oil change guy. Until next time.